Hello and welcome to Savite Sandesh for the roundup of month of August. Tata Classes is a visual computerized teaching and learning support system for the convenience of every Servitian in which Babita ma'am, Sunita Giri ma'am, Bharti ma'am, Akash sir and Sheetal ma'am were the top user of it in the month of July.
From the kindergarten wing to the higher secondary stream had officially declared as the timetable for the revision test for the first terminal of all the main subjects held on 28th of August 2024 for the better command over the exam syllabus of all the students.
On the same day, Class 12 aspirants and believers, students, parents and teachers had successfully accomplished the Servite Seva goal of the week to help and care for the needy of our Narmadapuram district.
Next week, again, on 8th of August, the KG staff had undertaken a noble deed. Similarly, in the third week, 8 aspirants and believers, group of teachers, students and parents were blessed by their food charity.
To a lot of people present out there, it might be something normal for us, but it is a very big thing for them because they do not even get the opportunity to eat a one-time proper meal. So when we were serving them, they were so happy and glad that we were doing this. To try to help them as much as we can. And we should be grateful towards our parents and respect them because they are doing a lot of hard work every day so that they can make us afford the good food, good clothes, education and everything. So we should be grateful towards them, respect them and thank them for everything.
Now let's cherish and congratulate Master Divyam Yadav of Class 4th Explorers who got bronze medal in 52nd AP State Swimming Championship. Even Rania Tiwari, a Provincial student of 7th standard, got first rank and got 2 gold medals in traditional and artistic yoga asana competition. Now she is selected in state level. Another challenging student from class 8th believer named Kanishk Patel got the first position in 10 meters pistol shooting competition. These trials will give Lawrence to her school title.
Like everyone too, when the KG teachers found out their innovative ways to teach their little masters and angels the gift of learning by practically methods of using props to add in entertainment in the field of education like hula hoop, etc.
Similarly, the higher secondary department had successfully gone on an excursion program named Student Cabinet Conclave, in which Akash sir, Gurdeep sir, Madhvi ma'am and Pushpa ma'am accompanied the cabinet visitors of classes 9 to 12. On 16th August 2024 in BSS College in Bhopal.
As we all know that smoking is injurious to our health, so to eradicate the evil from grassroots level, there was a place taken by all the students and teachers to support Nasha Mukti Sankalp planned by the government.
On 15th August, like every year, it was a grand celebration of the Independence Day, in which the entire Soviet corridor was decorated with green creeper in the ground floor, white and orange floral arts in the first and second floor, and the tricolor art on the top floor.
Wait, that was not all. There were house-wise competitions like skit competition by class 5 students and dance competition by class 10 students, in which Greenhouse team captured everyone's attention and grabbed school trophy this year. Of course, other team had a time.
The Independence Day farewell had begun in the first and second week of August in the Servitian campus, in which there were various competitions like solo dance, yoga, karate, and song in all the classes from 1st to 8th. The Servitian teachers attended a seminar on 24th of August 2024 named Narrow Linguistic Program, in which Mrs. Manisha Deshmukh ma'am was a resource person.
A 3-day artificial intelligence training program was organized by STEMpedia, where 8 of our teachers were trained for AI and robotic lab to be started soon in our school. Servite football team under 14 category won the football match against Samaritan School. Ritisha Gaur from Standard 7th and Rishabh Manjur from Standard 6th had participated in chess competition held at St. Paul's School. They were selected for district level.
The newly made conference room for the conduction of various meetings by the Servitian staff during the month of June has brought it to use on 17th August 2024 for the very first time by the grace of the God.
The Sanskrit Meet was organized in the third week of August to promote the values to be inculcated from the ancient Indian culture to the modern age smart kids, in which the students from Standard 6 to Standard 8 perform to the next level in all the Sanskrit verses, language exhibition, singing the hymns and role play, etc.
Upcoming events. First, Sports Week will be celebrated on 3rd October to 8th October. Second, half-yearly exam will be held on 18th September to 1st October, for which timetable and syllabus has been declared for 35 days ago.
Third, all the students and teachers were engaged in the preparation of Teachers' Day and the Survive Day program.
Like,
Share
And subscribe
To our YouTube channel.